What's up YouTube? It's your girl Rachel and I'm back with another video. Today is Sunday and my mom starts her first day of work tomorrow. And so on Sundays we like to get all the laundry done, all of our deep cleaning, scrubbing the bathroom, sweeping, mopping, so on, so on, so on. So today I'm going to show you how I clean my bathroom and my bedroom on my own. Of course I'll be having my mom help me with things like maybe mopping. I believe she already made my bed for me, so I don't have to worry about that. We're also going to be getting rid of my rug because I got a new puppy and the rug needs to go. And we're going to be taking off the doors to my closet just to open the space up. So stay tuned and watch my time-lapse video of me getting stuff done. So this is how I get my room ready for the week. On Sundays, I really love sanitizing everything, organizing it, decluttering it, just wiping it down, getting it ready for the week. It just makes the work week flow by so much better. And I like not having to worry about cleaning my room and just focusing on the rest of the house. My mom starts her first day of work tomorrow, so we're just trying to get the house ready to go. So that way it's just so much easier to get up and get ready when everything is where it needs to be. And don't worry, I got a new rag to sanitize everything else in my room after I clean my bathroom. And I'm just wiping everything down because, you guys, flu season is right around the corner and my immune system is not the greatest. Plus, I have two nephews, and I have a 4-year-old nephew and a baby nephew, and they're just like germ central. They just get things everywhere. So I just like wiping everything down, and I'm just kind of decluttering this and reorganizing it. It can get messy, and sometimes when I'm lazy, I'll just throw my clothes in there. Shh, don't tell anyone. But I am just cleaning it up. I'm really excited because I thought about doing a video, and I want to know what you guys think. I will be getting baskets in the next couple months for my closet and for my armoire, this beautiful armoire that my mom did for me, to organize everything and just have everything put away neatly and tidily. I don't know if that's a word. But I was wondering if you guys want to see a video of that. Let me know in the comments. So one thing is that I figured out, okay, so my favorite chore was to vacuum, and after my injury I couldn't do that. And one day it dawned on me, oh my gosh, because we have hardwood floors, like, what about a lightweight vacuum? I wonder if I could push that around. And I can, and it's one of my favorite chores to do. So that is what I'm doing. It's lightweight. Now, if it's carpet, it is very difficult for me to do, and it also is really hard on my bad shoulders, so I try not to vacuum rugs. But we don't have any carpet at all in our house, so that's awesome because I can vacuum the entire house. Which is also great because in the winter I get so cold, and vacuuming like warms my body up so much. So my mom's finishing up the room because mopping is not something I can do. I mean, I'm sure I can, but it's so difficult. So she's just cleaning up underneath my bed. It hasn't been done in so long, and she said there was so much fur under there. So I'm just glad that we got this cleaned and ready to go for the week. I was wondering, do you guys want to see a video of how I do my own laundry, like getting it in and out of the washer and the dryer, how I sort it and everything? Would you guys be interested in seeing that? If so, leave it down in the comments. If you guys want to see that, I will definitely do a video on that. I thought, well, maybe that'd be super interesting for people to see, like, you know, seeing a tetraplegic do this kind of work might give other people, like, a chance to believe that they could do it too. And I'm just really excited. I really love doing these videos. So I'm just finishing up putting these clean clothes away. I just organized my closet because it was a disaster. You will not believe how disorganized it was, and now it looks so much better. And my mom's finally taking these doors off. Oh my gosh, they drive me crazy when I'm trying to move around over there. So that's me cleaning my bedroom and my bathroom. It's all done. I'm so thankful it's all done. I am really tired and my back is killing me. It's pretty bad actually. But I got everything done, got my laundry folded, put it away. I was wondering, do you guys like these kind of videos? Comment down below and let me know, or like the video. And I could do more like this. I was thinking I could do a video on me just doing my laundry independently, how I clean my living room, or what I do on a daily basis when my mom's at work, how I take care of the dogs. But yeah, just let me know, and if you guys have any ideas of like things you would like me to show you this dog, just let me know, because I'm interested in doing new things all the time. So I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will type my link or whatever down in the description box, so you guys could type it in on Instagram and Facebook, and you could just find me and follow me. I just want to say thank you, everyone. I hope you all have a great day.